To set up a professional account, you'll begin by going to the Sell on Amazon page, clicking on the Sell as a Professional button, then logging in if necessary. You'll see the beginning of a more extensive process than the sign-up for an individual account, not surprisingly. On the other hand, the process of creating the account is separate from entering products into the system, unlike the individual account creation in which you select the products you want to sell before you even begin creating your account. So we'll be looking at how to add products in a later video. If you're outside the US, click the Notice for International Sellers links to see a few important notifications. Then you can get started by entering your business's legal name into this text box and clicking the checkbox. I'm going to assume you've read the agreement, of course. Then click the Continue button to move on. Now you'll need to enter a display name, the name of your business within the Amazon system, the name your products will be listed under in the product page. You also need to enter your address, of course, and a phone number. Then we have 3 optional entries. First, you can select the product category you're working in. If you'll have multiple product categories, you can leave this unchanged and deal with it later. You can also tell Amazon how many different items you'll be selling. Again, you can ignore this for now if you want. You can also tell Amazon if you actually own the brands you're going to sell. Of course, the answer is no for most merchants, and in any case, this is optional too. Click Save and Continue, and Amazon now asks for your credit card information. This will be used to charge you any fees that you owe Amazon. For example, if you don't sell anything one month, you'll still owe the $39.99 monthly fee. Enter your information, then click Save and Continue. Amazon's going to verify your phone number by sending you a PIN number in a text message, or by calling you and asking for a PIN number that you've been shown. Choose which method you want to use, enter your phone number, then click the Text Me or Call Me Now button. Once you get the code, enter it into the text box or into your phone when Amazon calls you, and click the Verify PIN button or finish the phone call. Once verified, click Continue to move on. Now we're on the tax identity page. As a merchant, you need to provide information to Amazon about your tax status. Click the Launch Interview Wizard button to begin. You're going to be asked whether you're in the US or overseas, your company structure, sole proprietor, C Corp, S Corp, and so on, your tax address, tax ID number, etc. Just follow through the wizard. When you exit the wizard, you'll find yourself back at the previous page. Just click Complete Registration to finish. You'll now be dropped into the Add a Product page where you can begin adding products one by one. That's a subject we're going to look at in a later video. We'll also learn how to load products en masse. Note for the moment that you're actually in the Amazon Seller Central web console where you can manage your account. You will also need to provide bank account information at some point so Amazon can use the account to transfer your earnings to you. When you go into your Seller Central homepage, you'll see a little notification here. Click the link, scroll down to the Deposit Method area, click the Add button, and follow the instructions. Finally, if you want to apply for approval to sell into one of the restricted categories, click Help and search for Category Approval, or click a category link if there is one below the search box.